Feeling like you're running on empty, no matter how much coffee you drink or how well you sleep? The answer might be hiding deep inside your cells, your mitochondria. These tiny power plants fuel everything you do, from thinking to moving. But as you age, they slow down. By 60, they produce only half the energy they did in your 30s, leaving you tired, achy, and feeling older than you should. The good news? Science shows specific nutrients can revive your mitochondria, restore your energy, and help you feel years younger. In this video, we'll break down 10 powerful science-backed nutrients to help you feel energized, vibrant, and youthful again. You'll learn how they work to boost energy and reverse aging at the cellular level, the best foods to find them in, and when supplements are essential. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to supercharge your mitochondria and reclaim your youthful vitality. Ready to transform your health and turn back the clock? Let's go. As always, this information is educational and does not constitute medical advice. Let's start with our most fundamental nutrient, niacinamide, a powerful form of vitamin B3. This nutrient is a key player in energy production because it's a precursor to NAD+, a molecule essential for your mitochondria to function at their best. Think of NAD+ as the spark plug that ignites your cells, turning the food you eat into ATP, the energy your body runs on. But here's the catch. As you age, your NAD+ levels drop dramatically. By your 40s, they're about half of what they were in your 20s. This decline is a big reason why you feel more tired and sluggish as you get older. Research, like a 2018 study in cell metabolism, shows that boosting NAD+ levels can improve mitochondrial function, support brain health, and even promote healthy aging. While niacinamide is one of the most effective ways to raise NAD+, the results depend on factors like dosage, age, and your metabolism. You can find niacinamide in foods like chicken, turkey, fish, and peanuts, but for a more significant boost, supplementation is often recommended. Now that we understand how NAD+ helps your mitochondria convert food into ATP, let's explore D-ribose, a unique sugar that serves as the actual building block for that ATP. Unlike regular sugars, D-ribose doesn't spike your blood sugar. Instead, it directly fuels ATP production, helping to combat fatigue and boost energy levels. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at producing ATP, leaving you feeling drained. Supplementing with D-ribose can help your mitochondria generate ATP more effectively, giving you the energy you had in your younger years. The results are impressive. A 2006 study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that D-ribose increased energy levels by up to 61% in just 3 weeks. Participants experienced significant improvements in energy, mental clarity, and even sleep quality. While you can find small amounts of D-ribose in red meat, poultry, and fish, it's not abundant in most diets. For optimal results, supplementation is often recommended. Now that we understand how D-ribose provides immediate energy through ATP production, let's explore a nutrient that takes a longer-term approach through longevity pathways. Our number 8 nutrient is Inori Extract from Japanese knotweed, a traditional medicine now making waves in modern science. The secret lies in its rich resveratrol content, which activates sirtuins, your longevity genes. These remarkable proteins protect your DNA, reduce inflammation, and enhance mitochondrial function, making your cells more efficient energy producers. A 2011 study in cell metabolism revealed impressive results. Overweight participants taking Inori Extract experienced increased energy, healthier mitochondria, and reduced inflammation. Most fascinating is Inori's unique ability to mimic calorie restrictions benefits, a proven longevity strategy without the need to cut calories. Through sirtuin activation, it repairs cellular damage while keeping your energy levels high. While Inori Extract optimizes your existing mitochondria through longevity pathways, our next nutrient takes an even more fascinating approach. Let's talk about our number 7 nutrient, PQQ, pyrroloquinoline quinone, a compound that helps your body create entirely new mitochondria. PQQ activates a gene called PGC1 alpha, triggering fresh mitochondria production and boosting brain energy. The results? Enhanced memory, focus, and mental clarity. A fascinating 2010 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry revealed the power of this nutrient. Older adults taking PQQ for 3 months experienced significant improvements in attention, working memory, and blood flow to their brain's command center. Though found in kiwi, papaya, and green peppers, supplementation typically provides optimal benefits. Now that we know how PQQ helps create new mitochondria, let's explore CoQ10, coenzyme Q10, the nutrient that ensures these powerhouses run at peak efficiency. Think of it as high-grade oil for your cellular engines. CoQ10 converts food into ATP, your body's energy currency. But here's the catch. As you age, your CoQ10 levels drop, leading to fatigue and slower cellular repair. A 2020 study in antioxidants revealed something remarkable. Combining CoQ10 with PQQ created powerful results. Participants experienced better memory, faster reaction times, and improved mental clarity than with either nutrient alone. While you can find CoQ10 in foods like beef liver, salmon, and mackerel, supplementation often provides optimal benefits. With CoQ10 ensuring efficient energy production, we need to make sure your mitochondria have the right fuel to work with. Enter Acidy L-carnitine, an amino acid that acts like a fuel injector, transporting fats directly to these cellular powerhouses. This remarkable nutrient shows particular promise for older adults. A 2007 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that centenarians taking Acidy L-carnitine gained 8 pounds of muscle and lost 4 pounds of fat in 6 months, while experiencing improved energy, strength, and mental clarity. Though found in beef, milk, and cod, supplementation often provides the most beneficial amounts. Now that we've optimized fuel delivery with Acidy L-carnitine, let's protect your cellular powerhouses with alpha lipoic acid, a unique antioxidant that works in both water and fat-based environments. This remarkable nutrient neutralizes free radicals, unstable molecules that accelerate aging and damage cells. A 2018 study in free radical biology and medicine revealed stunning results. Older adults taking alpha lipoic acid had 68% more brain volume than the placebo group while experiencing improved energy and reduced inflammation. Though found in spinach, broccoli, and beef liver, supplementation often provides optimal benefits. Now that we've protected your mitochondria with alpha lipoic acid, let's enhance their performance with our number 3 nutrient. Enter curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, which boosts stamina and improves physical performance. A 2015 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food revealed impressive results. Participants experienced less joint pain, fewer muscle cramps, and enhanced physical performance by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Though found in turmeric root, used in curries and golden millets, curcumin's benefits can be amplified even further by our number 2 nutrient. Let's explore quercetin, a polyphenol that boosts endurance by improving your body's oxygen efficiency. A 2010 study in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism revealed impressive results. Older adults taking quercetin could exercise longer without fatigue due to increased VO2 max, your body's oxygen utilization capacity. Found in apples, red onions, capers, and blueberries, quercetin also enhances curcumin's absorption, creating a powerful duo for energy and endurance. While quercetin optimizes oxygen use, our final nutrient ensures your cells can use the energy they produce. Let's talk about magnesium, the essential mineral that turns mitochondrial energy into usable fuel. Unfortunately, magnesium deficiency is incredibly common, leading to fatigue, muscle cramps, and heart issues. A 2018 study in Nutrients revealed that supplementation improved energy levels, reduced fatigue, and enhanced sleep quality. Though found in spinach, almonds, and pumpkin seeds, supplementation often provides the best solution for optimal benefits. Are you enjoying this video so far? Like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.